Hello everyone, Ali is here from Vancouver Financial Network. It's been a while. We didn't have any technical analysis for agricultural commodities, but today I saw a couple of good setups and a couple of good charts that I want to share with you guys. Okay, let's go to chart, see what they're telling us. Okay, so let's start with Lean Hog. Lean Hog had very nice, let's say nice, because that was very good technical channel, bearish channel, all the way back down from um, April 2019 all the way to August 2020, which is almost a year and a half. But after that it breaks through the channel and goes up all the way parabolic. That was a very nice parabolic move from 51 to 67, and then poising and pulling back to 62, and then 62. This is a very good consolidation here. I am cautiously bullish because this is a very good pattern, but because this is parabolic move, probably we will test down a little bit lower. But I am into position, to be honest. I am in the position. Stop loss is going to be below 61, but reward is going to be 71. 70 to 71 is going to be our upside target for the Lean Hog. So we'll see how it goes this week. Probably it gives us a good gain or setting us to the promised land. See how it goes. Let's go back to live cattle. Live cattle, we had signal in our Telegram channel. Again, look at this. This is a very nice bullish channel going up for live cattle. And live cattle, believe me or not, we are gonna see it 113 or 114, which is gonna be upper level of this resistance area. If we break through, actually we have very nice solid resistance here, 108 to 110, 108 to 110. If we break through, it's gonna give us like a good gain to 113. We'll see how it goes, but this is bullish. This is not a bearish pattern. This is very bullish pattern, and I think it's gonna go higher to 114 in midst of October, probably in 2 weeks. We have open position on live cattle, and we'll see how it goes. Let's go to the other one that I wanted to talk about was oats. Oats actually is doing well. It's doing well. This is weekly chart, by the way. So we pick up oats here, exactly here, 219. I think 250 we got into the position, and we go up and we sold off, and we shorted here, somewhere here. Look at this topping tail or inverted hammer or shooting star, whatever you want to call it, on the weekly chart. This is very bearish on the weekly chart, by the way. And look at this trend line here. This is higher level of the channel. Very technical forming, actually. Setups you can see in all the agricultural commodities. They are very technical. That's what I can say. And here now we are in bullish setup again, but I'm looking for pullback, to be honest. I had position here. We got into the oats here. We sold off. Again, coming back here, we got to the position, sold off here. Exactly, we keep tracking it because on daily analysis, if you go to the daily chart, you can see that this is fantastic. And I'm looking for, to be honest, I'm looking for a little bit pullback here to this 285 area is gonna be a good buying opportunity for us. So we'll see how it goes for oats. Let's go to wheat. Wheat shows weakness. If you go to daily, you will see how obvious it is. This is a nice head and shoulder is forming. This is a very nice black crew confirmation. And now 529 to 526 is going to be our support. I'm looking for probably a pullback here to this area. Not sure if I'm going to long, but I'm going to short it here. If it goes down and then coming back up here, that's going to be a good short opportunity around this level. So we'll see. Keep an eye on that. I have no position, no long, no short on wheat, but this is the setup that I'm looking for. And going down to our coffee. Oh, before coffee, sugar. We need sugar for our coffee. Some people, they don't. Some people, they do. But I like sugar. I like sugar here. This is raw sugar, by the way. This is very, very nice, retracing back to the channel 66, 78. We didn't get to the 78. We just touched the 66. Couple of shadows going back up. Bullish consolidation, 1445. It's gonna be our promised land here. I'm gonna take another position here. I had position, I sold off, unfortunately, but I'm gonna take another position here to 1445, which is gonna be a good setup for us. Below this level or below this level is gonna be very ugly, but I'm not sure if it, even if we pull back here to this trend line and test this, see how it goes. But I'm looking for very, very nice. After this, here is gonna be another hiccup. Probably it's gonna be go there, consolidation, going down, going up, 1375, consolidation, 1445. That's the setup that I'm looking for sugar. And let's go down here to raw sugar. This is raw sugar, this is white sugar. I'm not sure which one you can trade, but whatever you can, I give you explanation for both. This is a weekly chart for white sugar. You see pivot high, pivot high, pivot high. Fantastic technical analysis works here. Okay, so here another low. We are in no man's land. We are between. What would you want to do? Nothing. Just be patient. And even, I'm going to show you in daily chart here, daily, go to daily chart. So it's gonna be a bearish trend line here. Just we break through above it. We just break through above it, but I'm not sure if it is the fake breakout or it's gonna be another rally. This is a consolidation going up, breaking through. I'm not sure about it. I don't know. For this, I would rather to see weekly chart. If we get back here, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna be in full position, to be honest here. I'm gonna be crazy full position for long side. And even I would rather this one goes, let's stretch this one a little bit. This one goes higher, breaking through, testing. After this test, I'm gonna buy it. So I would rather, based on weekly chart, I would rather goes down, white sugar goes down, or if it gets higher, okay, sure, go higher. But after breaking through, testing down, and then going back up. So I'm gonna buy expensive or cheaper. I'm not gonna buy here anything like this. This is not for me. And going down, we talked about, okay, let's go to coffee. This is very bullish, guys. This is bullish. All of you guys actually took into the position with me if you take it. If you don't, I don't know, what should I say? This is a very, very nice reversal pattern here is forming. Doji confirmation, another confirmation, breakthrough this bearish trend line. 115 is going to be first hiccups, but the final or ultimate target for me is 120 to 122. I'm gonna get off my position here. I'm gonna get out of my position, and then going back, probably this is head and shoulder I'm looking for, and then going back down here. Coffee is bullish. Ultimately it's gonna go higher, but right now we are into very, very nice setup and good position for our long side. Okay, go down to lumber. Mr. Lumber. Okay, we are in the position for lumber. We hit our first target here, 600. Fantastic gain. Any pullback, 681 to 682 is going to be another short position. I'm going to trigger another short position. So watch out for lumber. It is very overpriced now. I know it retraced back all the way from all-time high, which is almost 900, 892, which is crazy number for lumber. Anyway, so it goes down all the way, up, down, up. We will see if it's gonna go higher. That's gonna be a good opportunity for short. So I'm gonna short it here again. If it doesn't get there, I have position short open from here. We are in the money. We just sold out half of our position last week when we got to first target, which is 600. So if it goes higher, it gives us another opportunity for short. So don't hesitate, guys. This is a good setup for short. Lumber is gonna be good setup for short if it gets higher. So let's go back to other charts here. Okay, sorry, system doesn't work sometimes very well. All right, so let's go down to the ugly one. I want to talk about the ugly one, which I hate this chart. Orange juice gives me very, very bad signal. I traded based on this weekly, guys. This is the weekly chart. We break through, but this is last week. Look at this. Thought that this is a very, very nice bullish consolidation. Something like this. I think it's gonna happen. So after breaking through this trend line, this is a weekly chart, by the way, again. This is a cycle, 4-year cycle, 2016, 2020, and this is 2012 to 2016. So this is a trend line. This is a trend line. We break through, but it seems that still needs to do lots of work to set up to reverse back and then going higher. So we will see how it goes. We are out of the money for this. We are underwater, but it happens. It happened, folks. And it is exactly this price is doing whatever was doing previously in previous cycle. It's gonna just touch here, probably going back and then touch and then parabolic move. I'm looking for this, and I am very, very patient. Okay, so let's don't talk about the bad things, but it happens lots of time, unfortunately. Let's talk about this. I want to talk about soybean. Okay, soybean. This is a parabolic move, weekly chart, 2 months all the way up, but right now it's gonna pull back. Look at this area. It's gonna pull back here. This is my level, 960 and 936. It's gonna be my level, and the upside level is gonna be 161. After hitting this, I'm gonna see if we can get into the long position. Otherwise, we're gonna go lower, and we are gonna think about the long position again. So I'm looking for a reversal. I'm not looking for a weekly chart. I'm looking for a weekly chart just to see what's the general idea of the charts. And this is short term, which is for weekly. It is short term. Of course, it is not short term 2016 till now, but compared to this one, this is a very steep bearish trend line. It has been broken, sideways consolidation, and after this breakthrough, it's gonna go up parabolically, but it's gonna come back. This is a scene of crime that I want to get to the position here. This is very, very good buying level for final target one. Actually, it's gonna be, what is this? Yeah, 1161. 1161 is gonna be a final target for me for soybean. Last but not least, go to cotton. Here is the cotton. Bullish channel, obvious, huh? But it lost its momentum, you see? it lost in momentum. Like it's been months. Momentum is decreasing and it's gonna be choppy. But ultimate target for me, it's gonna be 69. Below this is gonna be stop loss. If you want to get into the position, it's gonna go higher, but below this one, it's gonna be your stop loss here. Just be careful, guys. This is a nice setup, by the way. See if it can go higher or not. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with us. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscription button here and please support us with your thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend.